Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing a succulent planter with items that you can grab all from the Dollar Tree. So what you'll need is a flowers and garden planter, some styrofoam, and some succulent flowers. And once again, everything's from the Dollar Tree. So what I first did is I went ahead and I stuck the foam into the planter. And you just want to put them in there high enough to where your succulents will be able to stand not too high but then also not too low. And then all you do is start sticking your succulents into the foam, and you can place them to your liking wherever you please. I try to even it out so it didn't look too full on one side and too thin on the other. And all I'm doing now is just arranging the ones that I thought still needed a little adjusting. But that is pretty much it, you guys, and it's all for under $10 from items all collected from the Dollar Tree. And here is the finished product. It's perfect for the centerpiece to my dining table. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.